Hello to everyone, you're looking for Schwalbe tyre. Tyre is model Evolution Z23622700700 X23. You can read this about this tyre. Here is box Evolution, Schwalbe Evolution line, blah 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 blah. Now here Evolution 2. We can open the box and we check what we can see inside, what the tire is. Yes, we open the box. Here we are. What we can see here. Oh, we can see tire. Some Evolution line had a speed, race, start, triple, blah blah blah. Inside, what we can see inside like this. Tire star. You can get some instruction. Instruction will be here. What we can see in this instruction. This instruction how to use and install this tire, bicycle tire, Schwalbe, then how to install, check your pressure inside, and here are ads, what tire it's produce, and thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video and you enjoy this item. You can buy this item at photoprint.lv. Have a nice day and bye bye. Link to this item will be below.